Understanding stress testing in banking. Scenario-based insights for safer financial practices. In today's evolving financial landscape, stress testing has become a crucial process for banks and financial institutions. But what exactly is stress testing, and why is it so important? What is stress testing? Stress testing is a simulation technique used to assess how different scenarios, under extreme conditions, could impact a bank's financial health. The aim is to determine an institution's resilience, ensuring it can withstand economic shocks and maintain stability. The importance of stress testing. Why is stress testing vital? It helps banks identify vulnerabilities in their portfolio, assess risk management practices, and prepare for potential crises. By simulating adverse conditions like a sudden economic downturn or a spike in interest rates, institutions can better understand their financial standing and readiness. Regulatory requirements. After the 2008 financial crisis, global regulatory frameworks have emphasized the importance of stress testing. Institutions are now required to regularly conduct stress tests and report their findings to regulators. This not only strengthens individual banks, but also contributes to the overall health of the financial system. Scenario-based approach. One of the key components of stress testing is the scenario-based approach. Here's how it works. Designing scenarios. The first step involves creating plausible adverse scenarios. These can range from severe recessions, changes in interest rates, or even a geopolitical crisis. A well-designed scenario reflects real-world risks that could impact a bank's operations and liquidity. Assessing impact. Once scenarios are set, banks analyze the potential impact on their capital, liquidity, and overall financial stability. This assessment involves evaluating how various factors would play out in the chosen scenarios. For example, if there is a significant drop in asset prices, how would that affect the bank's capital ratio? What if unemployment rates spike suddenly? Each of these factors can provide valuable insights into potential vulnerabilities. Actionable insights. The final step involves translating these insights into actionable strategies. If a bank identifies weaknesses, they can adjust their risk management practices, increase capital reserves, or refine their lending strategies. The goal is to fortify the institution against future risks. Types of stress tests. Banks typically engage in a few different types of stress tests, including single-factor testing. In single-factor testing, banks assess the impact of one specific risk factor, like a sudden drop in asset values, on their portfolio. Multi-factor testing. Multi-factor testing evaluates the impact of several simultaneous adverse events. For example, a scenario might include a combination of rising unemployment rates, falling real estate prices, and increasing defaults on loans. Reverse stress testing. This unique approach allows banks to identify scenarios that would lead to their failure. By working backward, they can focus on unlikely yet devastating events and develop strategies to mitigate those risks. Benefits of stress testing. Stress testing provides numerous benefits for banks. Enhances risk awareness. It fosters a culture of risk mindfulness among bank management. Improved decision-making. Data-driven insights help management make informed decisions regarding capital allocation and risk exposure. Strengthens confidence. Regular stress testing boosts confidence among regulators, investors, and customers, proving the institution's stability. Conclusion. In conclusion, stress testing is an indispensable tool for modern banking. By understanding potential vulnerabilities and preparing for economic shocks, banks can not only protect themselves, but also contribute to the overall stability of the financial system. As the financial landscape continues to evolve, robust stress testing practices will be essential for navigating uncertainty and ensuring a resilient banking sector. Want to learn more? Claire Trifle on LinkedIn.